Yeah, and I've said this to you before when we've done combined 11s and shit like that, yeah, for the North London derby this season. Like, bro, the only player that gets in our fucking starting 11 out of yours is Harry Kane. And on form right now, he ain't getting in our team. Ain't getting in our team.
You're into Harry Kane right now?
Jesus does more.
12 goals this season.
Off this season, I know he scored 12 goals. How many league goals has he scored?
12. 12 in the league.
He ain't scored that many. Maybe
he has. He has. He's only scored one in the Champions League. He's only one in the Champions League was against.
He's got 12 fucking. He fucking has. Jesus Christ.
The only two players.
I'll eat 5 fucking words.
No, tell a lie. I'd have 2 players. I'd have 3 Tottenham players in that Arsenal team. Bentancur has got to be in there somewhere. Because he's been. Well, who's your midfield? You got Partey,
Xhaka, who's been our best player. Odegaard. I don't rate Odegaard, but is Bentancur playing in that position? No, he plays deeper. So he ain't getting in over Odegaard. You don't play with a 10. So he ain't getting in because he ain't getting in over Xhaka. He's been our best player this season. Yeah,
I still have Romero over Gabriel.
Although I do rate Bentancur, by the way. I think he's a good player, but he ain't getting in.
I'd have Romero over Gabriel any day of the week.
So he ain't getting in over him, even though I don't rate him. He's still our top goal scorer this season, so he ain't even getting in at number 10.
So hang on, your centre backs. Romero starts over Gabriel this season. Even though he's been injured for 6 games, he's still been excellent for us.
Nope.
You having that bozo, that Emerson Royale basically bozo.
Do you know why? Because that bozo, although he is a bozo and he does stupidness, we're still at the top of the league. So let's imagine that he learns from his stupid mistakes. Yeah, because let's like in away games this season, and I've watched every game, as you know, yeah, apart from the Brighton game that weren't aired on TV, right? And the people in the chat know this as well. He's been our best defender in away games this season. Yeah, and I rate Saliba miles better than him, yeah, but he has actually been our best defender. And as much as I take the piss out of him and say he's got a bozo gene and he's dumb and black, and he is, he does stupidness. He can play 89.5 minutes, fucking brilliant, and he'll just do that 30 seconds of madness. But in away games this season, he has been our best defender. Yeah, in all of our away games.
Dwayne Sousa says
he's been our best defender.
Romero's a back three merchant. He plays in a back 4 for Argentina, and he'll be one of the reasons why they win the World Cup. Him and Martinez is an absolutely ridiculous partnership. Harry Kane starts without a doubt. You know, he's second top goal scorer in the Premier League behind a robot. He starts. Turns up every North London derby, whether regardless if it's a penalty or an assist, he's there. You might, before anyone says in the chat, I know he ain't got any trophies, I know that. That's the argument. I know he doesn't.
I know, but listen, I didn't realise he scored 12 goals. I can't lie.
I didn't realise it. The only other away goal scorer
last season.
The only other away goal scorer we've had since August, apart from Kane, is Højbjerg and Bentancur. Actually, I think Davis might have one.
Mate, I'm looking at his stats now for Premier League, right? This season he's on 12. Last season he finished on 17. The season before he got 23. But like,
and that season he got 23. He got 14 assists as well.
14 assists. And then them seasons, like last season he only missed 1 league game. Season before he missed 3. Season before that he missed 9 and still got 18 goals. The season before that he missed 10 and still got 17 goals. Season before that he missed 1 game, got 30 goals. Season before that he missed 8 and got 29. Season before that he played all of them and got 25. Season before that he missed 4 and got 21. Bro, his level of consistency is a fucking joke.
I don't want to be that guy, but that's not far off the consistency of goals that Henry scored.
He's not as good as Henry.
No, I'm saying, but like on a
debate.
No, I'm not saying it's a debate. I'm just saying from a goal perspective, Henry's
a joke. And do you know what's mad with it is that he's very rarely injured, like we've just seen on there. If you go through what take this season out for a minute, yeah. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 seasons, he's missed 4, 12.
I'll tell you what, 13, Lee, as well.
13.
There's another player we forgot about.
13, 23, 20, 23, 32, 35. He's missed 36 games in the last 8 seasons. That's fucking ridiculous. To be that fit and to play consistently every week in the league. He's missed 36 games in 8 seasons, and he's played every game.
2 goals. He's 2 goals off England's top goal scorer, so he'll get that in the World Cup. There's one player that starts in your team. I don't want to hear about the golden boy, but he fucking starts.
Kulusevski.
Mate, he is an absolute joke. His first 20.
Kulusevski's better than Saka, but he ain't getting in the team right now.
First 20 Premier League games.
You can't chat to me.
Listen to these stats, though. I know I'm not a statistician, right? But he's got 18 goal contributions in his first 20 games in the Premier League. That is the third highest ever in Premier League.
He's still not getting in there.
Sorry, third highest in the last decade.
Bro, we're top of the table. We've been the best team. We're 5 points clear. None of your players get in our team.
Harry Kane does.
I rate Kane, I rate Bentancur, and I rate Kulusevski. The rest of your team's pretty shit. I rate.
How many goals has Jesus scored?
5 or 6.
So he's only one above Bentancur.
Yeah.
And we're having a striker that's scored. I rate Jesus because he does it. He works like a horse. He's up and down the pitch.
It's not just his goals. I knew that when we signed him, he weren't going to get more than 12, 15 goals.
Oh, we knew that. Noodle was to score more goals.
Yeah, he's got 5 goals, 5 assists in 14 games.
What's Kane on?
Kane's on 12 and 1 assist. So
he's got 13 GNA in 14 games. Ridiculous.
Yeah, no, mate, Kane's a joke. Like, Kane's a really good footballer, and people don't understand how good a footballer Harry Kane is because it's Harry Kane. He plays for Tottenham. We have to slag them off. Mate, I've said this a million times. You ain't my rival. Yeah, and I'm a football fan. I like watching good footballers. Harry Kane is a fucking top footballer. Yeah, not just an elite goal scorer. He's a top footballer as well. He's so intelligent, on a football pitch. But, bro, right now, we're top of the table. None of your players get in our team. None of them.
So, right now, this season, you're still taking Jesus over Kane?
Yeah. As it stands right now, yeah. We're top of the table. We've done nearly a perfect start to the season. How are we changing anything?
It doesn't matter. Yeah. But so right now, you're above City right now.
Fair enough. We lost to United. Cool. Right? But that game, let's dissect that game real quick. We got back to 1-1. Bukayo Saka scored the equaliser, by the way. Yeah. 1-1. At that point, we should have sat back for 5 minutes, shored it up, and then made the subs and gone again. Instead, we didn't. We kept the stupid high line. They went 2-1. Then we made the subs 3-1. Game over. The Southampton game, we should have been out of sight in the first half. Yes, maybe if we had Kane, we might have scored a goal, right, or 2, right, to win the game. But we have only dropped fucking 5 points all season. There is no debate here for any player of any other team.
So on that logically, you wouldn't take any of Man City's players.
Henry, wait. No Man City player gets in our team right now. We're top of the tree for a reason, bro. As much as I love Mahrez, he ain't getting in the team. We're top.
Yeah, but see, so this season, so let's say
he ain't getting in the team right now, and I don't like Odegaard.
Erling Haaland,
he's not getting in the team right now. We're top of the table. Why would I change it?
So if you drop down to second place and Man City went above, would you still say the same thing?
Yeah, but we don't know if we are going to drop down. We could still be top of the table come fucking May.
If you win that league. If you win the league,
if you win the league, mate, I'm going to be unbearable. Do you know that? Yeah, because my standards never fucking dropped. When these pussies were making excuses about finishing 8th twice, yeah, right, finishing 5th, my standard was to win the title or compete for the title. If we win the title, bro, I'm popping out the champagne. The Dom Perignon is coming out, bruv. Yeah, it is coming out. Man said, "What have I been drinking, bro? We're top of the table. Come on, Dwayne, you know the crack. We're top of the table. We have been I'm not even trolling. Why do people think I'm trolling? I'm being straight up with it. We are currently sat top of the table, dropped 5 points all season, yeah? 5 points. So at this stage of a season, after 15 Premier League games, we have been the best team in the league. We've been the best to watch. We've got the best defence. Have you
got the best manager?
No, Pep's the best manager.
Oh, I thought you'd bite at that.
Nah, come on. But we've won 12, drawn 1, lost 1. We've
scored
7 goals less than Manchester City, who, by the way, have a fucking robot fucking padding goals for fun. Yeah, they have the best team, squad. They have the best manager. As it stands right now,
not Pep.
We are sat 5 points clear of that. I don't think we will become May because we know they're a second half of the season team and they're going a mad run. But this might just be the year, you know.
Right? No, it can't. It can't.
14 games. We've played 14, by the way. You've played 15, right? So we're 8 points clear of a game in hand over you, right? Us and City have both played 14. Yeah, we're 7 clear of Newcastle with a game in hand. Us and City are getting top 4. The rest of you can fight it out, right? But after 14, 15 games for you lot, we have been the best team in the league. Why would I change any of the players? As much as I don't rate the Bozo gene that highly, as much as I don't rate Odegaard that highly, yeah, why would I change it? We've been the best team.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying. If it's
somebody else,
we might not fix it.
That position.
I hear what you're saying. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But
we do need strengthening. We do need.
We both know though, deep down, way deep down, that this is still Arteta. And he's still
a good question. Big up Hope Gaming. You're a real one, bruv. You've been here for years as well. Big up to you, my guy. Yeah. Would you apologize if Arteta wins it, bro? Damn straight. I've said this a million times. If he gets us in a title race, let alone win it, if we're in a title race to the last 6 games of the season, yeah, or the last month of the season. Let me rephrase that. If we're in the title race going into May, and we're within 6 points of City, or we're above City, then my Arteta fucking hate campaign ends. The rat disappears, bruv. No, the rats stay forever because we're the rats. Yeah, but I will sit there and hold my hands up, and I'll be the first to do that, because all I've ever wanted, when I was protesting to get Wenger out of the club, and I was going to the games holding up banners and all of that to get Wenger out of the club, it was because I wanted us to be in a title challenge. That guy bottled a title challenge when Leicester won it. And then since then, we've been a fucking shambles. All I've wanted is Arsenal to challenge. So if Arsenal do challenge to the last month of the season, even if we win it or not, yeah, let's say we finished 3rd, but we finished 2 points behind Man City, and Newcastle finished 1 point behind them, or you finished 1. But if we're in that title challenge till the last month of the season, within 6 points of them going into May, yeah, I'll shut up about Arteta. Real talk. I've said that a million times, mate. But this is the thing. People sit there and go, oh, even if we won it, you'd say that we should have done it by more points. Well, how about fucking win it? And then we'll have that conversation, innit? Yeah. All I've ever said, and I've been consistent, and people that come and watch this every single day have known my consistency on this. All I want to do is challenge. They smashed the stadium down to challenge. Yeah. We've sold player after player after player. Right. Now fucking challenge. And to be fair, right now, yeah, Master Splinter ain't going nowhere, bruv. Come on. Yeah. But right now, we're top of the tree. Yeah, we're top of the tree.
Lee, has your opinion changed this season?
The last few games, Josh. The last few games is the last month of the season, bro.
Yeah, it's May.
Yeah, how many games?
It might be June this season because of the World Cup, but
no, it's May. It's still May, bro.
Oh no, yeah, because we got like April and October are disgusting months, aren't they?
I'm looking now, right? In May, we have, this is all Premier League fixtures. Hang on. Would you
take Arteta over Conte?
I love Conte. Right, in May, right, let me just go through May's fixtures for Arsenal, yeah? May the 6th. We got a game before that? Let me have a look. No, we haven't. So May the 6th, we've got Newcastle away. Fuck me. Yeah, May the 6th, we've got Newcastle away. May the 13th, we've got Brighton at home. And then May the 20th, we got Forest away. Then May the 28th.
Jesse Lingard's going to turn it into a dance floor again.
We then have Wolves at home. So we got 4 games in May. If we get to May and we're within 6 points of Man City with them 4 games to play, or we're top above Man City or level with Man City and goal difference separates us, whatever. If we're in a title race going into that last month of that season, I'll shut up about Arteta. Bro, I've said that, but nobody clips that shit. Nobody cares about that because, oh, you're in the mud. I'm not in the mud. All you pussies that sat there fucking giving it, 8th because of this and 8th because of that and 5th because of this. No, my standards were always challenged, mate. Now we're challenging. Keep challenging. Go and sign players. Keep it real. Keep going. Keep doing what's required. Will we? I don't know. But if we do, I'll shut up and I'll be happy because eventually and finally, since 2016, my football club have actually decided to take the league seriously. Yeah, because even 2016, when Leicester won it, we didn't. There was only Petr Cech available. Yeah, we didn't try to win the league, bro. So if we do actually go to that final month of the season within 6 points of Man City, I'm sweet because that's all I've wanted and cried for and protested and marched and took banners out of the stadium. Yeah, Wenger's actually seen me hold a banner over the Armoury at the stadium. He sat on beIN Sport watching a fucking film, a documentary. Yeah, it was a Wenger Out documentary. And it was me unfurling a fucking thanks for the memories, time to say goodbye banner over the Armoury. Wenger was sat in beIN Sport studio watching me do that.